Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motoramblings from the Garage.
G'day, this is Aardvark Adventure Rides from Melbourne, Australia. I'm riding my trusty V-Strom 650 and you're watching Motoramblings.
Not where I really want to be. I'd like to be out riding, but as you know, I've had some back issues. I'm going to get to a little update on the back issues in just a little bit. But before I do that, I wanted to do a mail call. JP1970. He's from Elko, Nevada. He's a teacher. And the best thing is he just bought a 2018 Goldwing. He did not get the DCT. He wanted to use a clutch and still get that full experience that we're all used to. When I get one of those newer models, I'm going to try to keep a clutch as well. It's just part of the ride, if you ask me. I've heard nothing but great things about the DCT, and I wouldn't knock it, but I think I want to keep with the clutch, just as a personal thing. So, going to do the mail call, read his letter, and show you all his stickers, and make sure I get everything out of there. Put that there. Put that there. That there. All right. He says, Motoramblings. Hey there, Motoramblings. Patrick. Hey, that's me. I just want to thank you so very much for sending the stickers. I sent him a couple of little ways back, and he got him. He did a little mail call. It's pretty cool. I bought a 2018 Goldwing February 15th after trying out a couple of Harleys. Going back to my roots, man. I think it's awesome. Most of you know it's my third Goldwing. Yes, my third Goldwing, and I love them. And mine's a 2010. It's the newest one I've ever had, even though it's fairly old at this point. Those 2018 plus look awesome. Guess I had to try it and see what the HD fuss was all about. Meh. The Goldwing is a sweet bike. I cannot believe it took me so long to see the light. Anyway, thanks again, and here are a couple of my stickers for you. Keep doing the deal and keep it real. Your wing brother, JP1970. I think it's awesome that you got the new Goldwing, and I'm jealous because I do want to get a new one eventually. But it's going to be a little bit. This is another episode of in my Keeping It Real series, which I'm sure some of you have seen by now. Like I said, I'll talk about the back issue in just a little bit. But I wanted to show you the stickers. JP1970. And, of course, it's got the U2 on it. I think it's pretty awesome. I got two. I believe one is going to go on the V-Strom top box along with a bunch of the other ones. And the other one's going to go right up here on the sticker board. So we'll take care of that now. And then, like I said, I'm going to do a second part of this where I'm going to talk a little bit about my back injury and give you an update on what's going on with that. But I'm going to kind of do it in two separate parts. I'm going to do the sticker now, and then I will get to giving you an update on the back while I play some Goldwing video in the background, because it is Saturday and that's my Goldwing day. One of my most popular videos was camping on the Goldwing, and so I'm going to kind of do some of the stuff in the background when I'm talking about my back from that same camping trip that never made it to YouTube. So anyway, here we go. We're going to put JP1970 up on the board. And I think we're going to work our way down the middle toward my stickers. You can put it right up under here. Right up under PSP Tommy G. I don't know if you heard me. It's right up underneath PSP Tommy G. So, sticker board's coming along. Send some more, folks. I'd love to fill this one up and a bunch more, especially now while I'm not riding the bike. All right, so for now I'm going to sign off. I'll be back in just a second to talk about my back. Thank you all. Hey guys, welcome back. All right, I wanted to get into my back just a little bit. I hurt myself on December 16th. I fell at work and I went down on my back, and as it turned out, I have some fractures in my lower back. And because of the bureaucracy of the Department of Labor here, it's been a struggle. I did finally get an appointment with an orthopedic coming up this Monday. So hopefully this guy's going to be able to tell me what I need to do to move on. Although, I'm pretty sure I know now, Ian from Aardvark Adventures put out a video where he talked about a back injury he had, his lower back, and the long and difficult process he had to finally get it treated in a way that worked. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to be following in Ian's footsteps, and I want to thank him immensely for putting that video out, because it made me feel a whole lot better about where I'm at in my healing process. Again, I have not been to the orthopedic doctor. I don't know anything definite, but based on what Ian was telling me, and his injury sounds very similar, although his happened on a motorcycle, I'm pretty sure I know what's going to happen from here on out, and I like the fact that the prognosis in his case worked out really well, and hopefully it will in mine. So check out his latest video. I'll put a link up here to that video, so please check that out. So my back is still sore, but not all the time. I have found that if I do anything for a length of time, it hurts. I think I explained that in the last video. So I'm not going to rehash all of that. I have been testing it a little bit. I took a walk to see how it would feel, and it got pretty sore. And then the other day I ended up sitting at what is basically a kitchen chair, doing a whole bunch of computer work, phone calls, documentation with the Department of Labor and all the different people I'm talking to, because I am 2 weeks overdue on pay. I'm fine, but the point is they need to get off their butts and pay me. So anyway, after Monday I should know more. I'll give you another update, and hopefully soon after that I'll be out on the bikes and I can do some actual moto vlogs instead of putting videos up behind me from last summer. I think it was Throttle Fiend, link, that just recently put something out there talking about going back to the past, just as kind of a reminiscing thing. So here's mine. Went camping last summer, absolutely loved it, and I think I mentioned earlier it's one of my most popular videos. And so I'm just putting some of the stuff up behind me that I didn't put in the video last summer. It's kind of neat going back and looking through all the footage and everything and reliving it, which is why I started YouTube in the first place. I didn't know it would just be last year that I'd be reminiscing about. But when I'm an old man and I'm not able to ride anymore and I'm sitting around just waiting for life to pass me by, I'm looking forward to watching these old videos and laughing at how silly they are, but maybe reliving the ride and being able to say, oh yeah, I remember that. And so I have found that I wonder if I'm actually going to do a whole lot of that, because all of you out there putting out your moto vlogs and your trips and these great places you go from all these different parts of the country, I love it. And I think that even when I'm an old man and I can't ride anymore, that I may end up finding myself watching other people's videos more than I watch my own. But at least I'll have a giant library of videos to look at if I do decide to watch my own. And if I don't, my son and grandchildren, maybe they will. You know, maybe they can look and see how happy I was when I was out on the bike, and maybe smile a little bit at the memory of me. And so for now, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you an update that, you know, things are moving slowly, but they are moving. I will get to the doctor, get this looked at. I'll give you an update on what he says. And hopefully I'll be out riding again very soon. All right. Thanks, guys, for listening to me ramble on. And I'll let the video run for a little bit back here. Maybe put some captions in it or something. And I will talk to you all later. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Stay well. Stay safe. But most of all, stay happy. Motoramblings out.